A pixel map is created entirely in Unity using tiles. You can create a map for your game, a field for tower defense, castle fight, and an adventure RPG game, since the map is created on a 32 by 32 pixel grid. A map can be created using both the tile method and the object drag method. In this video, I will show you how to quickly create a map. First, you need to create a grid and make a sequence of layers in the inspector. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. For example, the ground tile should be on the very bottom layer. So we put 1. Roads on the second, rivers on the third, mountains on the fourth, trees on the fifth, buildings and points of interest on the sixth. You should have a palette window. It is very important to carefully choose the layer and palette so that there is no confusion in the layers. For example, ground should be in ground. First, we create a tile of land. It is important to dilute it with various spots of burnt and thicker grass. You can also create a separate layer and apply a tile of dark lands. Next, I lay out places of interest and the main cities from which I will then draw a road. Also, when creating cities, there is an opportunity to make long tiles of the castle wall. The package also contains miniatures of existing forts and castles from Pixel World packages. Next, we draw a road. There are different types, both diagonal and straight, as well as all types of crossroads. We lay out mountains. Mountain tiles are well suited for framing the location. We place lakes and draw rivers. We draw the sea using tiles. We lay out groups of trees on the tree layer. In this way, we create forests and obstacles for the player. We finalize the map, add stones, grass, bridges, and other objects. The last layer is the parchment on the edge of the map. Also, don't forget to create a tile palette so that there are no different stripes and cuts on the map.